Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some stew mushroom. So that's the mushroom that I'm using. That's one pack. You can use whatever mushroom you preferred. Okay? So these are all of my herbs. Here I have some bell pepper and I'm using the green and the red one. I also have one tomato, half onion, 3 cloves of garlic, just a small amount of fresh thyme, and a small amount of spring onion, and 4 cuts of scotch bonnet pepper. So these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and just 1 teaspoon of black pepper, okay? So now I'm gonna cut my mushroom. So firstly guys, I wash it so it's clean. So now I'm just gonna pat dry it because you don't want it to be wet, okay? So guys, this is gonna be my first time ever stew mushroom because the idea came to me like I was thinking just as though I do brown stew chicken, I can just stew mushroom the same way. But one thing is just gonna be like a vegan dish. And I'm telling you guys, it came out perfect. It was absolutely delicious. So guys, as you can see right there, I'm gonna cut the top of my mushroom because I don't need that. So now I'm cutting my mushroom. You can cut it in whatever size you prefer, okay? So as I'm cutting my mushroom, I'm just taking it and put it in my bowl. So my mushroom is all cut, guys. So now I'm just gonna add it to a bigger bowl. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil, at least 1 spoonful, so it nice and moist, okay? So after I add my olive oil, now I'm just gonna blend my seasoning together and just add some of it to my mushroom. Not all of it, guys, but most of it, okay? I'm gonna add the rest of my seasoning to my gravy. So that's the amount of seasoning that I'm gonna leave back. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna add some of my herbs to my mushroom. I'm gonna add some of my garlic, some of my fresh thyme, my spring onion, and some of my scotch bonnet pepper, okay? Then I'm gonna add at least a teaspoon of browning to my mushroom. And 1 teaspoon of pimento seed. So guys, I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in. Just make sure that everything is all combined because you want your mushroom to be nice and full of flavor, okay? There was some browning that leave back on my spoon, so I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all in so the browning will all go on the mushroom. So guys, I want my mushroom to all rub in the browning, so I'm just gonna use my hand instead, okay? Because you want your browning to stick on your mushroom. So I'm just gonna use my hand, as I said. So my mushroom is all seasoning, guys, and that's perfect. You can always leave it to marinate for at least 30 minutes or you can just cook it straight away. So guys, here I have a pot on the stove and my stove is on a medium heat. So I add at least 3 spoonful of olive oil to my pot. So now as you can see, I'm adding my onions and my garlic, okay? And I'm also gonna add some of my scotch bonnet pepper and some of my spring onions, okay? You can leave it to saute, guys, for just couple of seconds. I'm just gonna mix it all in. Then I'm gonna add my bell peppers. I'm not gonna add all of it, just some, okay? So after I add my bell peppers, now I'm just gonna add some of my seasoning to my pot, okay? Then you just wanna mix it, and after, guys, I'm gonna add my mushroom. So after you add all your mushroom, you just gonna mix it all in, guys. Then you're just gonna allow your mushroom to brown up for at least 3 to 4 minutes, okay? And I'm telling you, it looks so, so, so good. This recipe right here is a must try, trust me. So just after 4 minutes, that's what my mushroom looks like. And I'm telling you, it looking nice and succulent. So guys, that same bowl that I used to season up my mushroom, I'm gonna add at least half cup of water to my bowl, okay? And I'm also gonna add 4 spoonful of ketchup. So after you add your ketchup, you're just gonna take your spoon and just mix it all in your bowl, okay? So everything is all combined. Now I'm just gonna add it to my mushroom. So guys, make sure you don't add a lot of liquid to your mushroom, okay? So I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning that's left, and I'm just gonna mix it, guys, so everything will all combine. I'm telling you, my pot smell amazing. Trust me, my whole house right now smells so, so, so good. So guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 spoon of sugar to my pot so the taste of the ketchup will blend out, okay? Then as you can see, I'm just stirring it. And I'm also gonna add all my remaining herbs. And guys, my pot looks so, so, so colorful. Just amazing. This is how I like my food to look. Just full of so much different color. It make me feel so happy. So you just wanna mix it all around. I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoonful of jerk marinate to my mushroom. And guys, this is gonna make it taste so, 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 so good. I'm telling you. Then I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt, and you can always taste your liking, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna allow my mushroom to cook just for at least 5 minutes and it's finished. And I'm also gonna cover my pot, okay? So stay tuned. So just after 5 minutes, that's what my mushroom looks like. And I'm telling you guys, it looks so, 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 so good. It is so perfect. Trust me. The gravy is nice and succulent. I'm telling you, this recipe, I mean, just look at it, guys. The gravy is all thick, and that's exactly how you want it. Just perfect. So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay, so stay tuned. So guys, I just finished plating up my stewed mushroom and I'm serving it with some bulgur wheat quinoa mix with some veg on the side, and I'm telling you it look absolutely delicious. You can serve it with whatever you prefer. Guys, please share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And don't forget guys to thumbs up this video and hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Okay? Thank you all. So just before I go, I'm just gonna taste some of my mushroom for you guys. And I'm telling you, it was absolutely delicious. The flavor is everything. Guys, you have to try this recipe. Your family, your friend, everyone is gonna love it. Trust me, if you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys, stay blessed, love ya.